After staying in more than 30 all-inclusive resorts in Punta Cana, we've noticed something interesting. Some guests always seem relaxed, organized, and like they're getting the most value out of their vacation, while others look rushed, frustrated, or surprised by things they didn't expect. The difference usually comes down to a few smart habits. So today we're sharing 10 things smart travelers always do when staying at an all-inclusive resort, so you can avoid common mistakes and actually enjoy everything you're paying for. Number 1. They research resorts using more than one review source. Smart travelers don't rely on just one website when choosing a resort. They might check TripAdvisor, Google Reviews, Expedia, or Booking.com, but they don't stop there. They also watch YouTube videos, read blogs, and compare opinions across multiple platforms. Why? Because every site has its own bias. Some reviews focus on complaints, others on pricing, and some are written by people who simply chose the wrong resort for their travel style. A smart approach is finding a travel YouTuber or reviewer whose expectations or vibes match yours. If you're looking for a quiet adults-only escape, you'll want different feedback than someone traveling with kids or a big group. Videos are especially useful because you can actually see the rooms, the pools, the beach, and the food. That visual context helps you decide whether a resort fits your idea of a perfect Punta Cana vacation, not just whether it has a high rating. Number 2. They confirm restaurant reservations as soon as they check in. One of the first things smart travelers do after arriving at an all-inclusive resort is confirm how dining works. Some resorts require reservations for specialty restaurants, others don't, and many fall somewhere in between. Even resorts that advertise reservation-free dining often still require reservation for their most popular venues, such as the Teppanyaki shows. Check-in usually happens in the afternoon, and by that time, the best dinner slots or restaurants for the first night are often already gone. That's why smart guests head straight to guest services or open the resort app as soon as they get their room. They make reservations for the first night immediately, and then plan the rest of their dinners once they've explored the resort. Even if reservations aren't required, confirming this upfront avoids confusion later when you're hungry and tired. Number 3. They understand what's included and avoid overspending. Smart travelers take a few minutes to understand exactly what's included in their stay. At most all-inclusive resorts, food, drinks, entertainment, and many activities are already covered. Yet, it's surprisingly easy to spend extra money without realizing it. Spa services are a typical example. Some treatments are excellent, but others can be highly overpriced, such as a full body scrub. The same goes for beach vendors offering tours, massages, or souvenirs at inflated prices. Smart guests don't assume everything offered is a good deal just because it's on property. They enjoy what's included, compare prices before booking extras, and skip anything that feels rushed or pushy. The goal of an all-inclusive is to relax, not to constantly pull out your wallet. Number 4. They bring small bills for tipping. Tipping is not mandatory at Punta Cana all-inclusive resorts, but smart travelers still bring small bills with them. A few dollars for a bellboy, bartender, or housekeeper is a simple way to show appreciation for great service. And honestly, it often leads to even better service throughout your stay. Having small bills on hand makes tipping easy and stress-free. You don't have to overthink it, and you're never stuck trying to break a large bill at the worst possible moment. It's a small habit that can noticeably improve your overall experience. Number 5. They ask for the included premium drink brands. This is one of the most overlooked all-inclusive tips. Some resorts, depending on their price, include premium brand alcohol, but bartenders won't always automatically use it. If you simply order a rum and coke or a gin and tonic, you may get the lowest tier brand available. Smart travelers ask what brands are included as soon as they arrive. Then, when ordering drinks, they specify the brand they want. Number 6. They rethink late-night arrivals. If their flight arrives at night, smart travelers consider staying at a nearby regular hotel for one night. Why? All-inclusive resorts are priced by the night, and that price assumes you'll be enjoying meals, drinks, and activities throughout the day. Arriving late means you'll miss lunch, snacks, maybe dinner, evening entertainment, and a big part of what you paid for. By staying one night at a nearby hotel and checking in to the all-inclusive the next day, you maximize your value and start your resort stay refreshed and ready to enjoy everything. Number 7. They consider booking through a travel agent. Smart travelers don't assume booking directly with the resort is the best deal. Travel agents often have access to bundled packages, exclusive promotions, and wholesale pricing that resort websites don't show. In many cases, the final price is significantly lower, often with added perks such as transfers or resort credits. We know this because we've compared prices many times. Booking directly versus booking through a trusted travel agent can make a noticeable difference. A good travel agent is also invaluable if something goes wrong, which is especially true when you're traveling internationally.
Are you planning a vacation to Punta Cana? We have fantastic news. We partnered with Shannon and Nina, two amazing US travel agents who can help you plan the perfect trip. Do you want to just get on a plane and know it's all handled? They can do that. Or do you want to collaborate with them to plan every step? They can do that too. For a free consultation, scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description.
Number 8. They inspect their room immediately. As soon as smart travelers arrive at their room, they do a quick inspection. They check cleanliness, air conditioning, water pressure, lights, and anything else that could impact their stay. If there's an issue, reporting it immediately makes it much easier to switch rooms or fix the problem. Waiting until later often means packing again or settling for something less convenient. This quick check takes just a few minutes and can save you a lot of frustration. Number 9. They carry a small essentials bag. Smart travelers pack a small carry-on or backpack that stays with them after check-in. Inside, they keep essentials like passports, money, swimsuits, sunscreen, medications, phone chargers, and anything they'll need during their first few hours at the resort. Once they're in the room, everything gets stored safely, and they can explore the property without worry. This is especially useful if your room isn't ready right away, or if you want to head straight to the pool or beach. Number 10. They pack smart and avoid resort stores. Finally, smart travelers pack everything they actually need before arriving. Resort shops are convenient, but they're expensive. Sunscreen, flip-flops, medication, and basic toiletries often cost much more than they should. Creating a packing list ahead of time helps you avoid unnecessary purchases and keeps your budget under control. It also saves you time, because you're not running around the resort trying to replace something you forgot. And a quick tip: skip so-called duty-free stores inside resorts. They're rarely a good deal and are almost always overpriced. All-inclusive resorts are designed to be easy and relaxing. Now click on this video to see 20 non-obvious things to pack for your all-inclusive vacation.